Hey guys, this book is about the sixth and final part of a plant that we're learning about in first grade. We have read about the seeds, the roots, the stem, the leaves, and the flowers. Now we're going to read about the fruit of a plant. This book is called A Fruit is a Suitcase for Seeds by Jean Richards and illustrated by Anca Hariton. Most plants have seeds. Can you see any seeds in this picture? What about something that makes seeds? When you put a seed in the ground and water it, a new plant grows from it. Have you ever planted a seed and grown a plant before? Seeds often travel to faraway places. If seeds did not travel, too many plants would grow in one place. It would be very crowded. Do you notice how crowded the plants are in this picture? Some seeds travel on the wind. Some seeds travel in the water. Many seeds travel inside fruits. The fruit on this page is a pomegranate. The fruit is like a suitcase for the seeds. It protects them on their trip. Fruits look beautiful and taste good, so animals and people eat them, and then drop the seeds in different places. Some fruits carry one big seed inside them. The seed is called a pit. A cherry is one of these fruits. What other fruits do you see on this page that carry a pit? I see a cherry, a plum, a peach, an apricot, and an avocado. Can you think of any more fruits that have a pit? Some fruits have many seeds inside them. An apple is one of these fruits. Some other fruits with many seeds inside them are lemons, melons, and pears. Can you think of any other fruits that have many seeds on the inside? Some fruits have many tiny seeds inside them. A kiwi is one of these fruits. So are bananas and blueberries. Many berries, such as strawberries and blackberries, carry their seeds on the outside. Raspberries do too. Do you see the bears eating raspberries in the picture on the right? Some vegetables we eat are really fruits. They carry seeds too. Peas are seeds. Which other ones do you see on this page? I see a butternut squash, a cucumber, an eggplant, a tomato, a pepper, an olive, and an acorn squash. Can you find the seeds on this ear of corn? Hint, it's the part you eat. All of those little yellow kernels are seeds. I'll bet you don't know that every time you eat a peach, a cherry, an avocado, a plum, a cucumber, a tomato, a grape, an apple, an orange, a pea, a pear, a melon, a banana, or a blueberry, you're really eating a suitcase. A suitcase for seeds. Thank you guys for listening and reading along with me. Keep working hard and I'll see you soon.